What are you girls doing? So as you can see, we have moved. We're at Stewart's Point, Lake Mead, Overton, Nevada, where we was on the flats just outside of Overton. Come in just a little bit deeper into Lake Mead territory. It's 15-day boondocking, and you cannot beat this view. Just beautiful. And I think it's starting to, we just climbed up that hill while I'm out of breath, but I think it's starting to warm up here. And we're getting more and more people that are leaving and heading back to their house or higher elevation. I think it was like 80, 81 today. Not horrible, but we are waiting on packages. And as soon as we get them packages, we will be out of here. So, we have been at Lake Mead for almost a week. Monday will be a week. Today is Saturday. We're leaving Monday, actually. Oops, sorry. And it decided to get really hot. It got, hold this while I drive. It got 99 yesterday, and it's about a 94, 95 today.
The wind's blowing, so it's a little cooler today.
Yes, hold this.
Sorry. The bee stinging me.
So we've stayed cool.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say it's not been uncomfortable.
No.
It could have been a little cooler. We're driving through some rough stuff because we're going down the lake. That's the point I'm trying to get to. But being that Lake Mead is here, we just go to the lake, sit around all day.
We had kayaks out for a while, but the road to take the kayaks in is horrid.
Yeah, scares a little rough on old Danger Ranger here.
You really should have a four-wheel drive to do that little part of the road to get down close enough. There's not a lot of beaches here.
Oh, there's no beach.
No, not really.
No.
But we found an area where you can get in, and it's not bad.
No. But this is a beautiful place. If you remember the flats that we was on, and I think I've already said this, but this is past that. It's past Valley of Fire. It is Stewart's Point.
Yes.
It's an awesome area. It's a huge area. It's limited to be able to get close to the water, but you're still 100 feet up from the water.
Yeah.
So.
Sorry.
That in itself isn't bad. It's just there's certain areas you can't get down to the water. But we found a spot.
We did.
I drive to the top, and our friends Chip and Ruth have a side-by-side. They come and get us and take us down the hill. Now I took the Ranger down that hill.
Cool.
And then I come up it, and it was wheel hopping and jerking around. Almost didn't make it, and I probably shouldn't have done it to it, but it survived.
Yeah.
So we've been staying in the water. At night it cools right off.
Oh yeah, as soon as the sun goes down, it gets, I wouldn't say cold.
No, it don't get cold.
Enough to be
well, we're sleeping with a sheet and a blanket on us.
I didn't have
with
a blanket
fan
on.
That's Chip and Ruth.
Yeah.
But we with the
Reboot.
Oh man, age sucks. Fantastic fan going.
Fantastic fan. There you go.
Pulling the heat out, and then we use the other fan to bring the air in. It's not been bad. When we left yesterday, we left for a little bit, and I fired up our Predator 3500 and ran the air conditioner for the dogs. I just didn't want to take a chance of them getting hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, the fantastic fan blowing.
Yep.
Yeah, the other Cool Breeze fan coming in, and that has kept it really bearable, I guess.
And we've had a little bit of a breeze, and the breeze actually cools things off. So.
Yeah. I think last night, yesterday it hit 99 here.
Yeah.
And I think when we went to bed last night, it was still like 82.
but it wasn't hot.
No, it was very comfortable. Very comfortable.
Yeah.
And like I said, we ran the air conditioner for the dogs when we left. Mainly, I didn't want to leave everything open and leave it, so we locked it up.
Oh.
Fired the generator up. It was fine. They was happy. But no, if somebody would have told me that you're going to boondock in the desert and at 99 degrees, I'd have said, no way.
No way.
I don't, honestly, I don't think I'd want to be much hotter than this. This is, be honest, it's pushing it.
It's hot.
It is. It's pushing it. But you sit out under the awning with a breeze. We sat out all afternoon today, and
well, you were working some, but as
well, it
long
was
as you're in the
comfortable.
shade, and you know there's a breeze going, we're good.
Yeah. I mean, this is it.
Nobody around.
No, there's a few diehards here.
And the donkeys.
Oh yeah, we've seen donkeys everywhere. But one guy here told us that he leaves when it hits 100. It only hit 99 yesterday, so he's not leaving.
He's not leaving yet.
Nah.
Yeah.
But you can do it. Is it ideal? I don't think so, but you can do it. So we're gonna get down to the water and try to find my way down, and I think I'm on the wrong little path here, so
All right.
we'll show you where we're at. Or once we get down here, we'll show it to you. He's gonna do 3 flips with a twist and a Barney. Woo! So we are sitting here, have been for almost an hour, and if you can see through my window, there's a train going west, and he is dead stopped on 95. There's another train coming east. It's double tracks. Yeah, that one is.
Just now started moving.
But I can't believe that a train could shut down a state road. This is
For this long.
Yeah, it's 95 through Nevada. It goes down into California. But they did. There've been people out walking around and cussing and throwing fits.
What good does fit throwing do?
Thing is, if you look, and you probably can't see with this, but there's no factories, there's nothing. We're in the middle of the desert. There's nothing for them to change cars, load, unload. I have no idea. Unless I think this train right here, this is what I think. I think that train right there was supposed to have stopped to let the westbound train fly. Get out of here. The westbound train was supposed to have stopped until this eastbound one passes him. I'm thinking the westbound's a rookie and he went past this road and he shouldn't have. He should have stopped back there a little bit to keep this open. Then this guy, the eastbound, he just chugs right along, and then he goes down, they switch the track, and he goes on westbound.
That's his thing.
Yeah. So I think we got a rookie train guy.
I think we're lucky.
I think we're lucky we're in a home.
It's a fact.
That's a fact. So here's a question for you, not that this happened yet. So you're sitting in a traffic jam like this with a train, whatever the case is, and somebody comes up and wants to use your restroom in your RV. Would you let them? Would you let them?
No.
I don't think I would either.
Well, we have a composting toilet too, and
I don't know that I would even then. I don't know. Maybe every situation would be different, but I don't think I would, to be honest. As bad as that may sound, but you know, if they go in and go doo-doo
yeah,
and make a mess, who cleans it up? You can't spray water in ours. You can't spray water in ours. That's what I'm saying. Who cleans that up? You know,
well, I can promise you it won't be me.
Yeah, but they get up and they walk out and, oh, sorry, I made a mess. I didn't know what to do. And they just leave and you're stuck with it. Yeah, no.
I'd say bad things to you. For
I
letting them in.
I won't open my door and let them in. But we left Stewart Point and we're heading south to head east. We're gonna hit up the south rim of the Grand Canyon.
Yep.
Boondock 2 or 3 days, and then kind of go up and over Flagstaff without going through Flagstaff, and come back down to 40. And we're gonna hit Winslow up and that great.
Yeah, I forgot about Winslow.
That great big hole that's in the desert out there in New Mexico.
There's a hole in the desert?
Some meteorite crashed into Earth a couple years ago.
Really?
Yeah, it's on the news.
I don't watch the news.
So anyways, train B is moving. We just got to get train A moving, and we'll be out of here. But like I said, nice thing is we're sitting in our house.
Yeah. It was windy this morning. Didn't think we were going to get out, did we?
No, it was 6:30. 6:30. We just started waking up, and man, this coach was rocking hard. Chip and Ruth have a